How to buy Assemble Protocol Crytpo token. Assemble Protocol claims to be a blockchain-based global point integration platform. Hi guys, crypto investing here. Before we start, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Let's get started. It is claimed that the basic idea behind the Assemble Protocol is to provide its users an unrestricted opportunity to use their points, similarly as they use cash, anywhere in the world without any time or place constraints. And to enable point providers and Assemble partners a pool of opportunities to further expand their businesses and an access to a rich pool of users. ASM has been listed on a number of cryptocurrency exchanges, but unlike other major cryptocurrencies, it cannot be purchased directly with fiat money. However, you can still simply purchase this currency by first purchasing Bitcoin from any fiat to crypto exchange and then transferring to an exchange that trades this coin. In this tutorial post, we will walk you through the procedures to get ASM in detail. You must first purchase one of the major cryptocurrencies, in our example, Bitcoin, BTC. In this post, we will go through two of the most popular fiat to crypto exchanges, Uphold.com and Coinbase, in depth. Both exchanges have their unique fee policies and features, which we shall go through in depth. It is advised that you test both of them and choose which one best suits you. Once you've completed the KYC procedure, you will be prompted to provide a payment method. You may either submit a credit/debit card or utilize a bank transfer here. When you use a credit card, you will be charged additional costs, but you will also make an instant transaction. While a bank transfer is less expensive, but takes longer, depending on where you live, certain nations provide fast cash deposits with low costs. Now that you're ready, click the Trade button at the upper left, select Bitcoin, and complete your transaction, and congratulations! You have just made your first cryptocurrency purchase. Since ASM is an altcoin, we must move our BTC to an exchange where ASM can be exchanged. In this case, we will utilize Gate.io as our exchange. Gate.io is a prominent cryptocurrency exchange with a huge number of tradable altcoin pairings. Depending on the exchange's regulations, you may be needed to go through another KYC procedure, which should take you anywhere from 30 minutes to a few days at most. Nonetheless, the procedure should be straightforward and simple to follow. When you're finished, you should have complete access to your exchange wallet. If this is your first time making a cryptocurrency deposit, the screen may appear intimidating. But don't worry, it's essentially the same as making a bank transfer. You will notice a string of random numbers saying BTC address in the box on the right. This is a unique public address of your BTC wallet at Gate.io, and you may receive BTC by presenting this address to the person sending you the payments. Because we are now transferring already purchased BTC from Coinbase to this wallet, click Copy Address or right-click on the complete address and select Copy to copy this address to your clipboard. Return to Coinbase, go to the Portfolio page, and then click on BTC on your asset list, followed by Send on the right. Paste the wallet address from your clipboard into the recipient field. For security reasons, always check whether both addresses match. Certain computer viruses is known to change the content of your clipboard into another wallet address, causing you to practically transmit payments to another individual. To proceed, click Send. You should immediately receive a confirmation email. Click on the confirmation link in the email, and your coins are on their way to Gate.io. There is a search box in the right column. Make sure BTC is chosen because we are trading BTC to altcoin pair. Click on it and enter in ASM. You should see ASM/BTC, choose that pair, and a price chart of ASM/BTC should appear in the middle of the page. Below is a box with a green button that reads Buy ASM. Inside the box, select the market option as this is the most straightforward sort of buying order. You may either enter in your amount or select a proportion of your deposit to spend on purchasing by clicking on the percentage buttons. After you've double-checked everything, click Buy ASM. Voila! You've finally purchased ASM. Assemble Protocol, ASM. Does the reward outweigh the risks? Assemble Protocol achieves a low-risk analysis based on investors' observer research. The proprietary system gauges how much a token can be manipulated by analyzing much money it took to shift its price over the last 24-hour period along with analysis of recent changes in volume and market cap. The gauge is between 0 and 100 with lower scores equating to higher risk, while higher values represent lower risk. Trading analysis. ASM's risk gauge score translates to a low-risk investment at the moment. Portfolio managers who heavily weigh risk assessment will find this gauge more relevant when attempting to avoid or discover more risky investments. ASM has traded 28.23% lower over the past 24 hours to its current price of 12 cents. This shift has occurred while volume is below its average level, and the token's market capitalization has risen. The cryptocurrency now has a market capitalization of $83,604,834.95 while $66,581,505.67 worth of the token has traded over the last 24 hours. The price change in relation to the degree of volume and market cap changes gives Assemble Protocol a low-risk rating. In conclusion, recent price movement of ASM gives the cryptocurrency a low-risk score due to past 24 hours of price volatility in relation to volume changes, giving traders reason to be confident on the token's manipulability at the moment. Thank you for watching this. If you liked it, then please share this video with your friends, like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.